Hey, Michael, my name's Calvin Burkhart. We spoke earlier on the phone today. I mentioned I'd shoot you over this video to show you kind of what I can see that's working for your website, what's working for your competition, and how we can make your website have better web presence. So, the three things that I'm going to cover today with you, Michael, is going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So, looking at your web page first, basically anything that you can see that's on the front page is considered content, including the images. What's behind the images is also considered content. So basically, having enough content on your front page in order to answer the question that the searchers are going to be searching when looking for your types of business services. So looking at a search I did here for roof repairs. Now, the first thing that you're going to see is going to be sponsored listings. So these are people that are paying to be on the top of the search engine results. Now, this can be somewhat of a gamble. Some people have ad blockers, and so they don't even see these. Other times, people don't even trust advertising, so they don't even click on these. So this can be a hit or miss. It can be somewhat of a gamble, but definitely advertising does obviously work in the roofing industry. Otherwise, people wouldn't be doing it. So that would be the first thing that people see whenever they put in a search like roof repairs. The second thing that they're going to see is going to be like this, the section right here. And this is what we like to refer to as the map listing. So this is going to have more to do with the citations, which is the second thing that I'm going to talk to you about, Michael. So citations is basically your business's name, address, and phone number listed in different directories all throughout the web. Kind of like earlier on the phone, we had discussed having your business listed into all these different social media platforms that exist out there. That would be what we consider a citation. Having more of those is going to help you get listed higher in the map section and then get more calls for business. Okay, so that's the second thing I wanted to cover with you is if you want to have your website ranking high in this map section, you need to basically go out there and get the same citations that your competitors have. But you don't want to just stop there, Michael. You want to go out and get more than what your competition has, and then that way, over time, you'll start to beat them out in this map section. The third thing I'm going to talk to you about today, Michael, is going to be the section underneath the maps. And this is what we like to refer to as the organic section. So this has a lot to do with what we refer to as backlinks. And see that these are basically websites that are referring back to your website from their website. So that would be what a backlink is. And so think of it like, you have a door and windows company that you work with, and on their website, they have a link back to your website saying that you guys are the preferred roofing contractors in Lufkin. So I hope this makes sense to you. So that's what I see here from the search. Now, looking at your competition, just real briefly touch on that. So just to look at one of the first uh, results here in the organic section is where I pulled that from. This Lucas company right here. As you can see, they have a lot of content right on the front page, and more than that, they have a back page specifically for Lufkin. I happen to be in Lufkin, and so that's the results that I was given. When I look at the backlink structure for your website, so East Texas Roofing and Repairs.com, I can see that it's still kind of a brand new website. You guys just kind of got this up like the last quarter of last year, it looks like, sometime around November, December of last year. Um, and I can see that there are some things happening right here for SEO, but it's just it's just kind of starting out um, and starting to get backlinks and stuff. And so when we look at your competitor, Lucas Roofing, for example, you can see that they've been doing this for a long time, way back since like 2015, for example, and they've been adding more and more over time. And they also pay for paid traffic as well. So looking at their backlinks, you can see that they have 282 referring domains, giving them 1,100 backlinks. Looking back at yours, you have 19 referring domains, giving you 24 backlinks. And so, in order to start beating out your competition online, we just need to get you some listed in more places that they're listed in, and then you'll start to be found for more keywords. Like right now, this is only a tool, so this doesn't give me a full picture of where you guys are at, but it gives me a good insight as to what's been working for you. So this only gives me one keyword for you guys as opposed to your competition who's ranking for 123 keywords. Now I did run another search for the East Texas Roofing and Repair.com since you wanted me to do that. And I can see that there's definitely been some work done to this website in the past. And so it looks like things started to fall off sometime around February of this year, and things are continuing to fall throughout the summer. So it looks like there is definitely some history on this website, and there is some referring domains and backlinks going on here. But as you can see, it's not really being found for any keywords. There's no traffic, and that's probably just because the website's been down for some time. If somebody stole this from you, then I mean, it would take probably like a lawsuit to go after that. But I'm not an attorney, so I'd refer you to an attorney, contact them about your options for getting your website back. But um, if you own and control East Texas Roofing and Repairs, like I mentioned, this has already got some work kind of started to it, just a little bit, but we can certainly start working on this one and getting this one ranked as well. So if you can get a hold of this last one, of course, the age is going to help out since this one's been around for some time. So if you can get a hold of that one, it would be ideal since it's got that age factor on it. Um, but it would still have a lot of work to do since it's been down for some time. So I hope this video has been informative for you, Michael. And if you like what you hear, reach back out and we can chat some more and see how I can further help your business succeed online. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk soon.